know what that's all about. That bum up in the air business. Anyway, there we are, out for another day. Oh, there's a lot of bees down in there. Still got to put that strip along the bottom there yet to stop them coming out through there. Oh, there's a fallover bee. There's a lot more action today than there was yesterday, so what's that all about? I don't know. I can't figure it out. It's still a cool morning. Still no sun yet. Well, not direct sun anyway. But there's clearly more bee action. So I don't know. We'll continue trying to figure them out. One day maybe we'll do it. Who knows? Oh, look out, I'm getting buzzed. Oh, that was a little bit of attack action. It wasn't really attack. They were just sort of bumping into me, letting me know that I was being a little bit too in their face. So no stings involved, just a friendly warning. Anyway, we'll press on.